Good morning, students. So today we will discuss our next experiment, experiment number 8. So what is the aim? It contains two subprograms. First is write a program to print each line of a file in a reverse order. Like we are given a file, we have to print that file so that each of the line of this file will get printed in this reverse order. And in the second program, we have to create a program to compute the number of characters, words, and lines in a file. So we will first discuss the first part, A part, that is to create a program to print each line of the file in reverse order. So here is the code. How will we will design this code? What is the functionality of this code? So in the first line, we have opened a file named as a file dot text in the read mode. For that purpose, we have used the open function, which is having two arguments. First is the file name, that which we want to open, and second argument is the mode, in which mode we want to open the file. There are several modes to open a file, which we have discussed in the file handling part. There are so many modes: reading mode, writing mode, appending mode. Okay, so there are several modes. In this case, we are opening the file named as a file.txt in reading mode using the open function as a stream. Okay, now call in the next line. We will call the file.readLine function with this stream as file to return a list containing each line of the file. So here we are using this file.readLine function. So here in this case our file name is text file. So we will use text file.readlines. So what this function will do? This function will return a list containing each line of the file. Now in the next, we have applied a for loop here, and we call the reversed function and pass the list that we have created in this reversed function. Okay, so the list that is created using this the readline function, we have passed that list in this reversed function. So what will happen? It is used to reverse the content of the list. It is a predefined function that is the reversed, and in brackets we will pass a list. So what will the reverse function will do? It reverse the lines in the list available in the list. So all the lines will get reversed using the reversed function. Now use a for loop to iterate over this new list. Use file.close to close the file object when finished reading. And we have used this for line for reversing the line, and in the for loop we are printing those reversed lines. After that, in the end of the line, we are closing the file that we have opened earlier as a required operation is done. So here is the code, a simple code using this reverse line function. I hope you understand this program. So try this program at your end also, and if there is any doubt, you can ask anytime. Now in the B part, what we have to do, we have to create a program to compute the number of characters, words, and lines in a file. So here is the code of this program. So in this case also, we need to open the file first in the, just a second. Yeah. So in this case also, we are opening a file named as sample.txt in the reading mode using that open function that we have discussed earlier, and assigned to a variable named as file, okay, as a string. Now we are using three variables here, like a number of lines, number of words, and number of character, and initialize them with 0. Now we are using a for loop to iterate through the file, like from the first character to the last character. At each iteration, we are using the line.strip function with \n as characters to strip it from each line. And we are using here the line.split function also to create a list containing all the words from the line. Also, in each iteration, add 1 to the number of lines. We are using len function with this list containing the word from the line as object to add it to the number of words, and use len function again with the strip line as object to add it to the number of characters. So in this manner, we can count the number of characters, words, and lines in a file. After that, we will close that file using that file.close function, and will print the value of the variables that we have declared. That means that total number of lines, total number of words, and total number of characters, using this print function in this manner. So after executing this program, you will get all the lines reversed in the given file. So try these two programs in your Python compiler, and check your output if it is correct or not. And in case of the incorrect output, try to find out the logical error or the syntactical error, and correct them accordingly. Thank you so much.